Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
To manually edit an ICS file, first, ensure you have a plain text editor like Notepad or TextEdit. Open the ICS file with your chosen editor. Inside, you'll find lines starting with Begin, VEVENT, indicating event start, and End, VEVENT, indicating event end. You can edit details such as DTSTART, start time, DTEND, end time, summary, event title, and description, event details. Save your changes carefully to avoid corrupting the file. Always back up the original ICS file before making any edits.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.